We are the students of the Adhyyan School. My name is Adhyyan.
And I am Shreya Sekta.
Today we are present here to talk about a very serious topic which is often overlooked by our society. Lately we have been asking a question that who is at the heart of a nation? The answers may vary, but the Adhyyan team thinks that it is the farmers who are at the heart of a nation. The farmers are connected to the grassroots level of the country and are the food bringers present to us. But an average farmer of a country faces many serious issues such as but not being limited to irrigation of the crops and high cost maintenance of the technology used in farming, etc. To solve this problem, we the Adhyyan team proudly announces the Agri Board, which will solve these issues very easily. Now I would like Shreya to explain the further explanation of the robot and its functions.
We have used different sensors in our robot. First is ultrasonic sensor, which emits sound waves, which helps in the obstacle detection. Secondly, we have used DHT level sensor, which is used to detect temperature and humidity of soil, so that we can adjust our irrigation system according to the plant needs. We have connected servo motors to our seed dispersal and sprinkler, so that the water and the seeds can be dispersed easily. We have developed this switchboard for the time delay in the seed dispersal. This is animal and insect repellent. It emits sound and also flashes the light, so that the insects and animals which come to our field may move back and cannot destroy our fields. Secondly, the main important part of our robot is Raspberry Pi. Allows us to avoid complexity of our robot, and we can program our code with simplicity. Our mechanical wheels are connected to L298 motors, which helps them in movement. This is webcam. We have connected it to the screen, radar, and camera is also visible on the screen. Our controlling system is designed in such a way that it makes us a differentiator from others. We have developed it in such a way that a farmer can open it in any web browser and on any device and control the movement, the seed dispersal and sprinkler from anywhere and anytime. So here is the working of our animal repellent. Our mentor, Mr. Shivam Tagi sir, for always supporting us and guiding us throughout the project. Thank you.